Most of these artists are follow Alkaline. And that's why as bad as things we still have to rate Alkaline. Cause when
I represent for one Media Fox. Media Fox. How we the latest news them lock.
You know Media Fox, no? You know it thinks that. Yo, bless up the people, man. You don't know it thinks that. I want Media Fox, man. You know it thinks that. Touch. Yo, people. It's a Foota it brown out, you know. Yeah, man, I talk something about Alkaline. And, yo, it's some serious message you must say out there. You understand? And I think a lot of artists need to look into this, you see it? But I will play the clip and make you know hear what I must say.
I tell you who most of them artists here follow. Most of these artists are follow Alkaline. And that's why as bad as things we still have to rate Alkaline. Cause when him do something was so powerful that someone I try to follow him and I mash up them own self. Zin? No. Alkaline, almost anywhere, him go up on the planet, almost anywhere, I never say everywhere, almost anywhere him go up on the planet and keep a show it ram. So when...
Yeah, man. You know, a boss thing say already, you know. Yeah, man, Alka. You see, yo, Alka tell you already, you know, everything are gonna make sense soon. People, I wonder if you don't realize it. The people them where did I try to style Alkaline thing back then, you realize them just I see everything I played out. You understand? It's like they must say, yo, John, you know, say Alka, I see I do it, you know. You understand? Alka, I see I do it right now, cause you know, it's like everybody who did a rush Alka go after Alka. No, I show him respect and I give him flowers, I give him imagine if Alkaline they just flap back then. Like when them did a try fight him and him just carry those tush. If them would have followed out, and I said the same. Because I tell people already, you know, Alkaline is a leader of the new generation. I think a joke me I make. Remember, you know, Alkaline gone about 13 years in the game. And him achieve a lot. For youth, we keep shows all over the world. You understand? And them a set impact. Him there UK, Canada, Jamaica, and US. Yo, remember, you know, Alkaline been a do this when him young, you know. Funny me in 20s, you know, people. Alkaline a do this, you know. And a normal thing the youth a do, you know. Is not a normal thing. Remember, you know, enough of them artists here. In a Alkaline age, them never da keep no show. You understand? For a young youth in a 2017 when the youth drop him show at Jamaica. Yo, I tell you, you know, something what Alkaline are going to do in a dancehall, them are going to sorry say them diss him. Remember me tell you, man. Them are going to see the wagon pass and want to hop on it. Me I tell you people. Remember Media Fox tell you. You see, the few years forwarding up, all you hear them talk about your Alkaline fall off and this and that. Me tell them already, say, look here, uno mind left in a 2016, uno no past 2020 vision. Uno mind only then at Jamaica. And I realize, brother, the world bigger than Jamaica, dog. Jamaica is just a little dot. When you zoom out from the satellite, you can't even maybe see it. See? So uno can go and talk about yo Alkaline flop on this and that. Who out of the young generation I do what Alkaline I do. Me keep on telling you, you know, everything expose itself and in everybody eyesight, you know, people. Me I tell you that, you know. You understand? Everything in everybody eyesight right now. But you see that era? Hey, you know gonna normal. Them are gonna see what. Just look what happened that year, people. Remember me tell you that, yeah? Just look what happened that year. You see it?
Alkaline get broke, or money are dimmed down, him just keep 5 show. You hear him keep one in England, one in Canada, one in Jamaica, one in Barbados, one in St. Martin, and him eat back of food and build back his money. Not all of you guys have the capacity to do that. Because someone really can't full out a venue without other people on the party. Or the show.
You see? Boy. This is what I tell you, yo, that youth, yeah. When him Alkaline is a great artist that, you know. You see when Alkaline a keep him show them, it's just him name sell the show. Alkaline. Him, people are go forward out. For artists, when us so socialize, like especially social media, all of these things, it show you say, brother, the music and where the people them connect the real way. Yo, it's like Alkaline do social media. Imagine these people. Alkaline no do social media, see? And imagine the artists them do social media. People now come see them like how them see Alkaline. Imagine if Alkaline is all over social media like that, like them. It'll be a different thing. But the youth set him name in a dancehall where, yo, the way the man do him show them or him taking bookings them is like it's a unique way. Anywhere him pull up, something a go on. Them a go talk about it. You understand? Them a go talk about it. And people don't realize. You see when Alkaline and him show them, him don't put on an artist who bigger than him. For sure you. Him no put no artist who bigger than him. Pan the flyer. For sure you say, look here. I'm me the man. A man himself. And I like some show where like Sunfest, we have one bag of big artists on it. When Alkaline a book artists, him a book some artists where they say fall off. You understand? The youth do a great move and him a do a big contribution to dancehall. Because enough people fall out and I say a one bag of thing and them not realize, you know. New rules is an element for dancehall. Is a representation for dancehall. You understand? Because Alkaline is a dancehall artist. If him can go in a different continent and that full out, is a good look for dancehall. And the youth a do it. Imagine when the youth start keep him showing at some different place where he not go yet. You understand? So when me hear them a talk about your Alkaline no contribute nothing to dancehall, boy. We don't really know what going on because the artists them want to say fall off. At them Alkaline a book. For give them back life in the music. Give them back a buzz in the music. You understand? Because one at a time, I never really hear them talk about Silk Bass and when Alkaline book Silk Bass. After that, everything there. A Silk Bass that. It's like when a battery get a charge up. The body start looking to the artist them. You see it? So, more while me hear them talk, me just shake on head because your brain is like a matches box. You don't see what go on, you know. I don't see, brother, how this a man the next leader for your generation, brother. You see it? But listen what go on, people.
See? So, I'm saying to you, you have to keep your cash flow coming in. And the way how you do that, your price must be able to fluctuate. Remember, me just talk about them things because I want to have longevity and reach for real, you know. But to not have this ego thing, oh, Alkaline do this so, and that me I do. Alkaline do ads, Alkaline do this, Alkaline keep him and show them. Very seldomly, Alkaline take 2 bookings. You understand what I say? And them have certain catalog and certain longevity where can I make them keep them own show.
That me I say, you know, say me hear people I say, yo, you know, see you now get no bookings. I wanna show you stay there. You think of that? I shouldn't know what going on the man I did. Because at the end of the day, I don't like say Alkaline now get no bookings. Alkaline no want take no bookings. The man take him bookings them. How him want take it. Cause no for no know as an artist, you know. When you take 100 bookings for the year, you no realize that, brother, on the value got drop by the next year. Cause look, you know, everybody see all of this a year. You're there so. Next year value got drop. You understand? And remember, say, if people see you too much time and you charge this amount of money and the ticket them when not really sell for make up back the money, it don't make no sense. You understand? It don't make no sense. That's why Alkaline show them always a sell off. Because Alkaline is not taking bookings like just money grab, money greed. Because, brother, Alkaline can just keep him show and him good. Man make the millions of him show. You understand? But the youth just know how to deal with him thing. And if 10 somebody link him, and if 10 somebody venue them close to each other, you know, him not take it. He may take the one them where him know say, alright, that one if me go right here, so alright, I'm not gonna forward that place until the next 2 years. You understand? Because enough artists, you know, through them a money grab and them not pre the consistent bookings in the future. No, them just want to grab a whole lot of money now. Brother, you grab your money in the next 2-3 years. You see next 5 years, nobody no want to book you. I tell you that. A lot of artists out there will have high costs, but tell me one now, them not have no demand. You understand? And it's like, you charge enough money, but the crowd not really followed out for pull out. You understand? And that's one of the things too. If you're not a crowd puller, you can't charge a bag of money, because look here now, you're gonna end up promoting on the money. You understand? Yeah. So you have to charge a price where you know say, alright, this is my capacity, this is the amount of people. You know? But if you know say you can pull the crowd and you have your cost, yeah, work with it. Because a lot of these things always happen. Yeah, man. And that a part of the craft thing with the promoter thing. You see it, but the artists them a charge them money if you can book them, just allow it. You understand? But the artists them for look between them certain little things. Can I tell you about this promoter and artist thing, you know? Yeah, man, it artists, it kind of leave a little bad energy on the artists, because the promoter them a look on certain things. And I say that I go on, and then business, and you're gonna know how much your artist charge and all of the problem that.
Uno not keep on the own show. Uno depend for promoter for book uno, and then you not come with this ridiculous outrageous thing. Uno got dead, fit, hungry. Yeah, tell you in a youth man. Some man don't like when me talk, and some man say me chat too much, but if you wanna listen to me, you see, if you wanna listen to me, listen to me. Make your price accessible. Picture this. The week consists of 3 days, possible for shows. When a public holiday, the week can consist of 5 days for show. Normally, on a regular week, 3, and sometimes on a Sunday, and maybe on Sunday. Picture you are charged out of your price bracket now. You say you want 40 or 50 grand. The promoter them can afford 40 or 50 grand, only keep show 1 or 2 times a year.
People, I say things set, you know. But, you know, I'm just glad say, yo, in that situation, yeah, you know, say, yo, it rough, cause right now, I don't know, it's like a lot of artists out there, them a watch another man price and I realize, say, brother, not because a man here charge 100,000 US, you will charge the same amount, because there's a reason why he might charge the amount there. Him can pull the crowd, him can pull the numbers to charge the money there, but you can't do that. You understand? So look here now, 10 promoter link you, seeing, and you tell them the cost there, and them in themselves know say you can't pull out the amount. You understand, based on ticket price and everything, and you can't pull out the crowd. Them now go pre-for book you. Why you see enough artists not get booked for Sunfest, you know? And that's because of the cost of them a charge. Because look here now, them a charge in money where them charge overseas. Seeing? Cause I think Kraff a charge 40,000 US. I don't know, that about how much? Not even know, maybe like 40,000 US and maybe like about $5 to $6 million. So imagine a Sunfest, 5 to 6 million. Seeing? Yeah. A nice could change that. You see it and don't know say you might go pull like what 3,000 people. You see me? So it rough out there, but the artists them must know. You see me, and the promoter them must know who them a book. You know, them have an option if an artist say you have 40 grand or this. If you can't deal with it, just allow it. If you ask a breakdown and them say no, and them not give that, find somebody else who you can, you know, run up the mean with. You see me? So one of them thing that people, but it sure you say, yo, Alkaline I do something in a dancehall where people acknowledge it. Yeah, just some of them that really want to come talk. You see like how Foota hype forward out and I say these things. Yeah man, it's very relevant for the artists them. You see it cause it's so, you know what the worst thing people, it's so funny that Foota hype say this, you know. Like if you say who the young artist them I follow, which is Alkaline. I'm glad say him especially forward out and I say it. You understand? So everybody are watching us see what go on. Cause remember, you know, enough artists out there right now and them not get no bookings. Me I tell you. Them not get no bookings. It rough on some artists right now. You can count on one hand how much artists I get like big bookings right now. Especially if you get bookings overseas. You see it, so I don't really know what going on in our business right now, you know. Yeah man, cause it rough out there, but people, big up on yourself, you know say one media facts, you know. Yeah man. That is it.